Hello, I'll be showing you how to use our WebRTC-enabled sample iOS app to reach the RESTCOM Hello Play demo application. So first, navigate to Settings to set our client identification and register with our RESTCOM instance. We set our URI under address of record. And leave the existing IP address under domain as is, since this is where our RESTCOM instance resides. To conclude this step, we hit Update to trigger the actual registration. Once we do that, and RESTCOM identifies us as one of its clients, we navigate back to the main screen. We are now ready to enter the URI of the Hello Play demo application and hit Dial. At that point, our client communicates with RESTCOM using WebRTC and we hear the announcement.
Welcome to RESTCOM, a Telestax-sponsored project.
And that's it. Please feel free to download the code from GitHub, play with it, and send any comments or questions on Stack Overflow or the RESTCOM forums.